Good day. Uh, Today I'm here with my navigator, Courtney.
Hello.
Cool. So, chapter 60, movie data service connecting to the back end. So yeah, in this chapter we go through the movie data service class, which basically has all these Axios.get requests that are made, well, Axios requests that are made to API endpoints. So all these functions that handle API requests specifically for our movies to make get requests, post requests, put requests, delete requests, and such. So this file defines a service class, movie data service, and it handles all API requests related to movies. So instead of writing HTTP calls directly in our React component, this class centralizes all back-end communication within one place, so within one file. So let's have a look. So we have the class movie data service, then we have the first function here, get all, or method get all, which basically has an axios.get request, and it makes that request to this URL path, or this endpoint, localhost 5000 API v1 movies, and that specific page that shows all the movies, so it'll get all 20 of the movies basically. So where is this used? Well, let's see. So when you come here, when you come here to movies list .js, you can see that in order to retrieve all the movies, right, we use that get all function, which is gonna handle the functionality of retrieving all those movies from the API endpoint. So you can see we use it here. So within this function, we use this get all function from our movie data service class. So it'll help us get all the movies. Then we have get this get function with ID passed as an argument. This helps us get as one specific movie basically by locating its ID. That's what this helps with. So basically, when we let's see, yeah, when we place one ID in there, so yeah, when we place like one specific ID there, it helps us retrieve one specific movie, and that movie's ID is this one. So that's what this function handles, retrieving one specific movie. Then we have a find function over here, this find method. So this find method is using a get request, axios.get, and it's basically gonna find the movie by its title. Then the create review over here, this is a post request. So create review method handles a post request that is made to the API endpoint /movies /review. So when we're adding one specific review to the application and the database, then we have update review, which handles a put request that is made in order to update one review. So let's see. Yeah, so it just sends a put request to update one specific review. Then there's the delete review method. You can see here we have the ID and user ID, as arguments for this method, because we need to locate that one specific movie by locating its ID and the user ID for that movie, so that we can delete the correct movie. And that delete request is made to this URL endpoint over here. So that will delete one review. Then the get ratings method uses the this axios.get method in order to get all the ratings for the movie. So yeah, that's basically all of the methods within this movie data service class that basically handle all the requests, all the API requests that are made within the functions. So yeah, when you come here to movies list, you can see that we use these axios.get methods like get all, which will get all the movies. We have this find method from movie data service, so it's basically gonna find well, there's one specific movie. Let's see. Oh, this is basically for searching for a movie. So you can search by the title or another field like rating. So it accepts optional page and rating filters. So example, find this specific movie, title, and the page, which is one page, and the rating. Okay, so this is specifically for searching for a specific movie by getting the title, the page and the rating. But yeah, that's basically all of the methods within our services that handle our API requests.